Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Verma. This is a question from data structure. Consider the following postfix expression. In the stack, we are having three types of expression. The first one is infix. Whenever we are having some operator, just like plus, in between the operand, just like plus is in between 5 and 6. So here it is in, that is it's called infix. Second one is called prefix. So whenever the operator which is plus or any other operator which is before the operand, so just like plus, afterward 5 and 6. So here pre means previous. This is called prefix. It is also called the polish notation or the polish fix. Simply to understand, just like first of all we polish our shoes, then we wear it. Similarly, whenever the operator is come before, then afterward operand. So it is easy to understand. Polish means prefix. And the third type is postfix. So whenever the operator come after the operand, just like plus is coming after 5 and 6. So this is called postfix, means after the operand. Just like prefix is called polish. Similarly, post is the opposite. That's why it is called reverse polish. So here a postfix expression is given. That means examiner can also say it is the reverse polish expression with the single digit operand. That means all the operand which are given, they are single digit. That means 6 is separate, 2 is separate. This is not 62. They are 6 and 2 separately. So this is the postfix expression. Now it is asking that the top two elements of the stack after second star is evaluated, means we has to evaluate the first star, then after evaluating the second star, what will be the top two elements that we have to found. So that means we only have to solve till the second star, and the remaining portion we don't have to solve. To evaluate the postfix expression, I am taking a stack. The first element is 6. So whenever the operand encounter, we has to push inside the stack. So 6 will come inside the stack. Then afterward 2. So 2 will also push inside the stack. Then is 3. 3 will also push inside the stack. And next is the star. Star is the operator. So whenever operator is encounter, we will take out the top two elements. So the top element is popped, that means 3 is taken out, and 3 will be stored inside A. And then 2 is popped, so 2 will be taken out inside B. This is important that we need to provide operator B operator A. So that means 2 multiply with 3. That means 6 is the answer. So this 6 will be again pushed back to the stack. Now afterward moving to the next, that is slash. That means it's a divide. So here divide operator is encounter. Whenever an operator is encounter, we need to take out the top two elements from the stack. So here the top element is 6. So we are going to take A. Inside the A, we are taking the top element which is 6. Then again pop the next element and store inside the B. So inside the B we have 6. And we need to calculate B operator which is divide A. So B divide A, that means 6 by 6, and that is 1. So we are pushing back 1 to the stack. Next we are having is 4. 4 is the operand, so push inside the stack. Then 2. 2 is the operand, so push inside the stack. Then is star. So star is in counter. We know that whenever we are having is operator, then we need to take out the top two elements. So the top element is popped, which is 2, and that is placed inside the A. So the value of A is 2. Then next element is popped and taken inside the B. So the value of B is 4. And we need to calculate B operator, and operator is star A. The meaning is 4 multiply with 2, that is 8. So this 8 will be pushed back to the stack. Here we know that we don't have to solve further because the question is saying the top two elements in the stack after second star is evaluated, and we know that this was the first star and the second star, and the second star is already evaluated. So we have to stop here and we have to find out what are the top two elements inside the stack. We can see that on the top we are having is 8. So here 8 is there into A and B. That means C and D for sure are not our answers. Then afterward we are having is 1. So here 1 is encountered into B. So here B is the answer and other are not the answers. So in the stack we are having 8 and 1. So these are the top two values or the elements in the stack after second star is evaluated. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you.